This is the voice of nature. This is the voice of Earth. This is the voice of life. This is the voice of Wanda Boto. This is the voice of winner. This is the voice on LOI. Wanda Boto, win on the Y. Wanda Boto is devoting itself to build its tire brand as a world brand. We have established some scientific research platforms like the National Enterprise Technical Center, the National Postdoctoral Working Station, and the National Tire Lab. The innovative thinking that the global user experience centered have been deeply rooted in the hearts of thousands of researchers. Supported with the 6 global authoritative certifications, Wanda Boto Tyre is your most trustable choice. We possess the world-class advanced production and testing equipment, updated technology, and a strict quality control system. We can provide you an integrated product solution for PCR, TBR, and OTR. With advanced mass informatization in tire industry, full automated warehouse logistics, and a green and intelligent workshop of Industry 4.0 standard, Wanda Boto Tyre's quality improved to a new high level as one of the industry-leading green tire experts. With its excellent quality and service, Wanda Boto provides the safe and comfortable driving experience to its customers over 160 countries and regions. From introducing intelligence worldwide to conduct independent research and development, Wanda Boto's global brand strategy advances us forward with the time. From China Central Television to China National Radio, from exclusively sponsoring the hottest TV program, the Premier League night, to landing on New York Times Square, Wanda Boto has become the tire brand drawing attention across the world. We keep paving the brand road for more than 15 years. With our vision, we are moving forward to our beautiful future. Moving with our feet, we are on the way to realize our ambition. We always believe that if we keep the faith in our mind on the advance road, we will have more and more partners to join us. Wanda Boto, a company with you all the time.